open a present from Grandma and Pop. And I'm gonna open the card. Let's see what card they got. Okay.
That just protects the front of the card.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh, look.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Ooh, it has flowers.
That's for your dress, for your Easter dress. Here.
Oh, that's for my Easter dress.
Yeah.
What does it say? She,
Now it's spring
spring in
is almost here.
almost here. Sorry, I was trying to read it.
And soon we will be also. So this is for your Easter outfit. Kiss, hug, Grandma and Papa.
Oh, to Easter!
Oh.
Snoopy! I love Snoopy. Oh, they got me the Easter dress!
No, I don't think it's an Easter dress. I think
No, it is. I think. I don't know.
that's why she sent the money for an Easter dress.
I think.
Oh, it's a pretty dress.
I think this is the Easter dress.
That's, do you know what it says on the front?
What?
Look at it. I bet you could maybe pronounce it. Look at the front.
Okay. I can't read it.
N-E-W.
What? I mean,
New.
new.
No, it's a Y-O-R-K.
What are
New. Yeah.
new?
Where are we going?
I'm trying to get a picture for a clue.
No, where are we going?
Oh, now I know. New York. New York. I never even guessed that. How did I do that?
There's more in there. There's more in the...
Oh my gosh. I cannot believe what I just saw.
What did you see?
This.
Oh, we could use that.
But that's not what I was so surprised about. Barbie and the Pig too. I always wanted this movie.
All right, you left something in the bag, in the pink bag. Oh, it's another cute little dress.
Ready?
It's a spring sugar cookie kit.
Show you. And jellies. Yay! Pumpkin! Wait. I want to say yes, I'm saying.
Okay. All right.
You must have over there.
Okay. You want to say?
He's speaking his whoopee to go with it.
Yes, there's Rex looking like he doesn't know. So what do you say?
Thank you, Grandpapa Ron. I'm gonna go watch the movie that you got me.